Imagine you're driving down the highway at 100 kilometers per hour when suddenly the car in front of you slams on its brakes. You react instantly and press your own brakes, but the truth is your car won't stop immediately. The distance it takes before you come to a complete halt could be the difference between a safe stop and a serious crash. This is what we call stopping distance. The total distance a vehicle travels from the moment you realize you need to stop until the car actually comes to a halt. It's made up of two key parts: thinking distance and braking distance. Thinking distance is how far your car travels in the time it takes you to notice the hazard and move your foot to the brake pedal. And during this short reaction time, your car keeps moving at full speed. The faster you're driving, the longer this distance becomes. Double your speed, and you double your thinking distance. Factors like fatigue, distraction, alcohol, and drugs can slow your reaction time and increase the distance before braking even begins. Once you press the brakes, braking distance takes over. The distance your vehicle travels from the moment you apply the brakes until it completely stops. Unlike thinking distance, braking distance doesn't increase in a straight line. It increases with the square of your speed. That means if you double your speed, your braking distance becomes 4 times longer, triple your speed, and it's 9 times longer. This comes down to physics. The kinetic energy of your car increases with the square of velocity, and your brakes need to dissipate all of that energy to bring you to a stop. Braking distance is also influenced by many factors: your speed, road conditions like rain, snow, ice, or gravel, the condition of your tires and brakes, and even the weight of your vehicle. A fully loaded truck, for example, takes far more distance to stop than a small car. Put simply, the formula is stopping distance equals thinking distance plus braking distance. But behind the math lies a serious truth. Keeping a safe following distance, maintaining your vehicle properly, and staying alert on the road are what give you the space and time to stop safely in an emergency. So next time you're behind the wheel, remember that stopping distance is more than just numbers. It's physics, it's awareness, and it's often the difference between a close call and a collision. Drive safe and always respect the science of the road.